Hi, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to attack friends in Monopoly Go. So first and foremost, you have to join a multiplayer session. It could be on the official Monopoly Go website or a detailed board game platform. From there, you can add your friends through clicking the friends icon on the bottom right, and then you can add friends through your contacts list. If you haven't linked your Facebook yet, you should see like a Facebook icon there in the middle, and then from there you can go to your Facebook, connect your account, and then any friends that you have that are playing Monopoly Go gets added to your list, or you can manually send them an invite by clicking this green icon. You can invite them by sharing it on different social media platforms or directly to your Facebook Messenger if it's connected. Once your friend receives the invitation and once they create account, and then they're good to go with Monopoly Go, and then from there you can start playing together. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.